Inverter. The inverter converts the DC power from the battery into AC power to run the electric motor. Regenerative braking. Many electric vehicles feature regenerative braking, which allows the motor to act as a generator when the vehicle slows down, converting kinetic energy back into electrical energy and storing it in the battery. So, the benefits of electric vehicles. Electric vehicles offer a wide range of benefits that make them an attractive option for both consumers and governments. 1. Cost savings. While EVs may have a higher initial purchase price, they are much cheaper to operate. The cost of electricity for charging is often lower than gasoline, and EVs require less maintenance due to fewer moving parts. 2. Government incentives. Many governments around the world offer tax incentives, rebates, and subsidies to encourage the purchase of electric vehicles. These incentives make EVs more affordable for consumers. 3. Low operating costs. EVs have fewer moving parts compared to traditional vehicles, which means fewer parts that need regular maintenance. A more second Stibrijam Spenskedi Road exhaust system repairs. 4. Noise reduction. Electric cars are much quieter than gasoline-powered cars, reducing noise pollution, especially in urban areas. Challenges facing electric vehicles. While EVs are gaining traction, there are still a few challenges that need to be addressed. Charging infrastructure. Although the number of charging stations is growing, there are still areas with limited access to fast charging facilities, making long-distance travel difficult. Battery life and range. While the range of electric cars is improving, some consumers still worry about the distance they can drive on a single charge. However, with advances in battery technology, newer models can travel over 300 miles on a full charge.